welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting, very fun beauty video to share with you. It is time for the Sephora Spring Savings event, and I am super excited to share a beauty haul with you guys and share all the goodies I picked up. But first, I have a super exciting, very important announcement to make. So if you're following me on Instagram, you may not know, but I have applied to join the Sephora squad. So yes, I've applied to be part of the Sephora squad. So there's like an application process, and actually I'm going to put my link below where you can leave me a testimonial, sort of like a quick review of like why you like my content, why do you think I would be good for the Sephora squad. That would help me out so much, guys. So I'm gonna put the link below so you guys can support me. Another thing is they are announcing the finalists for the Sephora squad on May 8th, which if you don't know, May 8th is my birthday. So I'm like, oh my goodness, that's super exciting. I may get super exciting news on my birthday. That would be like one of the best birthday gifts. So if you want to support, help me get some really exciting news on my birthday, please fill out one of the testimonials down below. It literally takes like 1 minute. You click the link, put in your email, and write a sentence or two about why you think I will be good for the Sephora squad. I'll put the link below. Definitely check it out and support me. This is something that I want to try. I love beauty. I definitely consider myself a beauty expert as well, but I'm more like fun with beauty products, like trying, exploring, finding out what works for me. And I like to stick to techniques that work, I should say, but having fun exploring new products. I just want to thank you guys in advance for your support. To all those who have already filled out a testimonial for me, thank you so much. I think that will definitely help out, but I'm sure the more testimonials I get will help increase my chances of possibly being selected for the next round and being one of the finalists that they consider to be joining the Sephora squad. I'm getting so excited just talking about it, so I'd be truly happy if I were selected. So let's get into today's video, which is a haul. If you don't know, Sephora is currently having their spring savings event. So basically, if you are a Sephora insider, you can get 10% off. If you are a VIB, you can get 15% off. If you're Rouge, you get 20% off, and everything from the Sephora collection, meaning all of the Sephora brand products, are 30% off. So this is an awesome time to really stock up. And just FYI, the savings event is going through April 24th, so you have a few days. I'm going to try to get this up for you guys as soon as possible. So if you see anything that I'm featuring in this video, definitely click the link below so you can just check out and make sure you get it on sale. I pretty much do all my beauty shopping for the year during their two savings event. They have one usually fall winter and another in the spring, so I stock up during that time because these are things that you really can't get on sale mostly. So when they do have a sale, definitely go for it, especially if there's stuff you want to try out. I did really good this time, so this is why I wanted to do a haul, share everything with you guys. So let's just get into the haul. Let's start with skincare because I have quite a bit of skincare. The first thing I got is from the Inkey List. I got the retinol serum. I will link everything I mentioned, guys, down below as far as pricing, and I'll put the link below so you can just, if you see something you like in this video, you can just click the link and purchase it. So the first thing I got was the Inkey List retinol serum. Definitely one of my go-to skincare products for anti-aging. Helps with the appearance of wrinkles without irritation. This is a really nice thick serum. I really like it. This is what it looks like in the packaging, and honestly, guys, this, you only need the tiniest bit. It lasts for a long time. So yeah, this, and I don't apply it every night, but I do apply it a few times a week. This is pretty much my main anti-aging skincare product. The Inkey List is one of my favorite skincare brands, and the thing I like the most about them are the pricing. Price points are super affordable. Everything's in about the $10 range. I think I have one serum in here that is 15, but super affordable. And if you guys know how expensive skincare can be, and this stuff is like tried and true, really good quality products, so love it. The next is the Ult Cleansing Balm. This, love it for removing makeup. Days where I'm wearing like full glam, lots of makeup, use this cleansing balm. It feels so good as you glide it on. It takes off your makeup so easily. I also like using this as a hydrating mask, so I'll make sure I work it in and kind of leave it on my skin for a few minutes. And yeah, really love this product. Again, super affordable. Some of these cleansing balms from brands are like so expensive, and I'm guilty of having purchased those really super expensive cleansing balms. I find this one to be the absolute best that I've tried, and it's the most affordable. Like, I have no reason to even wonder about any other cleansing balm. So if you're into cleansing balms and you haven't found one, you know, especially at a good price point, check out the Inkey List. Next product is the 15% vitamin C and EGF serum, and this is meant to intensively brighten skin. What this looks like, so vitamin C helps to brighten skin, improve overall appearance of your skin, dull skin, brighten skin. Great value. It's a brand new product. I've never tried it. It's by the Inkey List. So much of my skincare is the Inkey List. So this is the Omega Water Cream, and it hydrates skin and keeps you looking healthy. So this is just like a simple daily moisturizer. It says, what is Omega Water Cream? A lightweight moisturizer containing omega fatty acids, which are vital for healthy skin. It provides long-lasting hydration as well as moisturization, and supports a healthy skin barrier while helping to control the appearance of oil. You guys know I have oily skin, so this kind of checked all the boxes for me for a daily moisturizer. So I'm looking forward to testing this out. I'm sure I'll love it though. I don't like applying heavy moisturizer to my face because I'm already so oily, and it's like too much. Like, it says lightweight, so I'm looking forward to this. Packaging looks, I love how simple Inkey List packaging is. Very aesthetically pleasing in my bathroom as well. All right, so let's start to transition to beauty. This is a product by Summer Fridays. Now, this is my first ever Summer Fridays purchase. I've never purchased anything from them. I've seen tons of their products and was like tempted to try, just never did. But this lip butter, it's a lip butter balm. This silky 100% vegan lip balm hydrates and soothes in seconds while providing just a touch of sheer nude color. Butter up on the go for instant moisture, color, and shine, and a hint of brown sugar sweetness. At the color brown sugar, makes sense. Okay, open this up. This is how the packaging looks. I'll link everything down below so you guys can see prices. Also, guys, the focus of my shopping trip was definitely more like spring summer products. So lightweight moisturizers. This definitely sounds like a product I'd be using more in the summer. I'll carry it in my bag. Oh, I love the tube. Pretty. And this is how the applicator is. Let's put a little on my hand so we can see the color. Ooh. It smells good. It's a tad sticky. Smells good. I like the color. So I have to apply that on my lips to see. Probably be reviewing a lot of this stuff as I go, especially if I join the Sephora squad. You'll be seeing lots of beauty reviews from me. We are at Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. So the next thing I got is by Merit Beauty. It's the shade Slick Jelly, and this is a tinted lip oil. Here is the product. You guys see. I got this in the shade Mapleton. It looks like a dark reddish brown. So yeah, I have that on my lips. Loving this so far. Moisturizing, lightweight, but high gloss, high shine look. But it feels super lightweight and just comfortable to wear. It really feels like you're just wearing a lip balm. but you have that hint of color. I like that even though it's sheer, you still have enough color payoff that you can tell you have something on your lips, which I like. Definitely be something like I carry with me in my bag for sure. That's it for lip products, but I do have a few more beauty products by Merit Beauty. So the next thing is the Bronze Balm. So let's open this. So here it is. It's like this gold, it has my fingerprints on it now, but it's like this gold stick. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Look at that on my hand. So I got the shade Monarch. My travel bag, makeup bag, on the go, touching up makeup. You want to touch up your makeup. Summer, I feel like it's just more on the go, and I find that I'm doing more of makeup touch-ups outside of my home. So I wanted products like this that were like really easy to travel with or easy for on the go. So I got the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. This complexion stick, you can use it as a foundation or as a concealer, like spot concealer, or to highlight with. Here is the tube. That's what it looks like. I got the shade Amber, which is I think one shade up from Chestnut, and I think Chestnut is what I had before. So if you don't know, guys, I actually partnered with Merit Beauty back during the holiday season. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I do a full review of, I got this, they sent me this, and they sent me a blush. So I really loved the stuff, was super impressed with it, and now I'm a customer too because they sent it to me to try and review and share with you guys. And honestly, I really fell in love with the brand, the product, the quality, like everything is so good. But before, interesting enough, they sent me Chestnut, which was a really good match, but I wanted to just go like one shade lighter because I want to use this more as a highlight. So under eye, like touching up during the day to like brighten up under eye kind of center of my face. So you can see that's just a tad bit light for my complexion to use as a foundation. That was intentional though. Ooh, the next product is a new product. Well, new product to me. So this is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet, and it's 24-hour undetectable blurring powder foundation. New products altogether, a new formulation of it. But I had a Makeup Forever powder foundation, similar packaging, and I used it again for touch-ups, even setting. I got the color 4 in 6/8. I think this is coffee. It's, there it goes in the pan. The packaging is super cute too. So I'm sure I'm gonna love this because I absolutely loved the other foundation, the other powder I had. Literally couldn't get enough. I'm excited. The last thing I have to share with you, but this is something I've been eyeing since 2022. So this is the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. I got an eyeshadow palette. Now I am pretty good with eyeshadow palettes. I try to limit myself to adding maybe one eyeshadow palette every year. Eyeshadow palettes, once you find a couple of good ones, you don't need every single eyeshadow palette. But I'm such a huge fan of Natasha Denona eyeshadows. The formula is amazing. I see a palette that, you know, she brings out that is something that I feel like I can use in so many different ways, and it just makes me want to, again, play with it. I have to get it. So here's the palette. Colors, guys. Like, look at these shimmery colors. Look how rich that looks. Look at this color here as like a flesh color for me almost. I'm saying that like I haven't played in it. All right, you guys have to come closer. This eyeshadow look is something I created super fast because I literally just got home from Sephora and was like, playing with the eyeshadow before I got on camera. And this is the smoky eye I created. What do you guys think? I literally cannot wait to continue to play around with this eyeshadow palette. Interested in seeing me do a makeup look, an eyeshadow tutorial using this palette, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, that's it for my haul. Guys, don't forget to check out the description box for all the links for everything I mentioned, and don't forget to check out the spring savings event before it ends on April 24th. If you haven't, please write a testimonial for me for this. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty, so if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.